Hey guys, welcome to my house. Follow me. So, welcome to my house. My name is Sean O'Tiernig. I am 21 years old, originally from Newbridge, County Clare in beautiful Ireland, but I live in Dundee now for the last 2.5 years studying architecture, and I also work part-time at a seafood restaurant called Tail End in Dundee. And welcome! Yes,
or it's not in focus.
So yeah, I want to do the show because I think it'll be really good fun. I've never done anything really like this before, being properly behind the camera. I like to cook in my spare time, and obviously I do it in work, so it'll be good fun to work with like a proper chef like that. So I wouldn't typically get a takeaway on a Friday or Saturday night unless I had been at the pub before. And usually if I'm getting a takeaway after the pub, I'd probably get craving something like really dirty, like a lovely kebab or a burger, something super unhealthy. Something super unhealthy. So during the week, I tried to eat as healthily as I could. Luckily, I have a great girlfriend, Martina. She keeps me right on track. She's kind of the boss in the kitchen. I help out as much as I can, but we all know who's in charge. So I would say the best thing that I could cook myself is probably a nice medium well-done salmon, nicely grilled at the end, and then a little bit of tomato pesto on top. I did learn this from work, so it's a bit of an advantage, but it tastes really good, if I say so myself. So there's no food that I really hate, but if I had the choice, I probably would say no to both asparagus and Brussels sprouts. So I would like to think I'm pretty good in the kitchen, but I wouldn't be as good as my better half, of course. But I have picked up a thing or two in the 1.5 years I've been working in the kitchen here in Dundee. So this is our wonderfully tiny fridge between the 4 of us here. So as you can see, it's always jam-packed. And we're always fighting for room. We have a shelf each, but that can change. But generally it's full of pretty healthy stuff. Lots of fruit and vegetables. And then, since we're out students, energy drinks as well. So this is the one drawer that I have in the house. As you can see, full of lots of pasta, lots of rice. We generally use that as a staple and mix different things in depending on it. And then, of course, we have some lovely eggs for breakfast. So thanks for coming and looking at my house and my kitchen. Hopefully I shall see you on the show.